Forget about dropshipping. Forget about Amazon FBA. I've tried them all, and I'm about to save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration. Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat things or to sell you some fairy tale. Most online business models are oversaturated and harder than ever to break into. But there is one business model that still works incredibly well for beginners: high-ticket coaching and done-for-you services. And today, I'm going to break down exactly why this is the absolute best way for you to make real money online in today's economy. And if you don't believe me, feel free to click off this video, go try some BS dropshipping, and stay exactly where you are. So what exactly are high-ticket coaching and done-for-you services? It's pretty simple, really. High-ticket coaching is when you offer your knowledge and mentorship to customers who are willing to pay premium price for results. Maybe you're good at Facebook ads, weight loss, relationship advice, whatever. You're essentially selling your knowledge to help someone solve a specific problem. Now, done-for-you services take it one step further. Instead of just teaching someone how to do something, you or your team of contractors actually do the work for them. So it's typically business to business. This could be managing their social media, building their website, handling their customer service, you name it. The client pays you a premium fee and you deliver the service. Now let me tell you why this model is so perfect for beginners. First up, the startup costs are ridiculously low. You don't need to buy inventory. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need an office. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and a skill that people won't pay for. You can work from anywhere in the world at any time that suits you. No more 9-to-5 grind. No more asking for permission to take vacation days. You're in complete control of your schedule, and there's no income ceiling. You can make as much as you want. Now, when it comes to the overhead, the costs that you have with a high-ticket business, they're practically non-existent when you have the right system in place. When you have contractors doing the work, your expenses stay low while your income grows. And if you're doing coaching, you don't need to pay contractors, so it's more profit for you. With this business model, you get leverage. And here's where it gets really interesting. The profit potential of high-ticket services absolutely destroys most other online business models. So let me break this down in super simple terms. With a typical dropshipping business, you might make $20 to $30 profit per sale. That means you need to make hundreds of sales each month just to earn a decent living. But with high-ticket coaching or services, you could charge $3,000 or more per customer. Just think about that difference. One sale of a high-ticket service equals 100 sales in a traditional product-based business. Do you want to chase 100 customers or just one? It's really that simple. And there's also way less competition in the high-ticket space. Why? Because most people are afraid to charge for premium prices. They don't believe in their own value. They're stuck in the mindset of competing on price rather than value. That creates a massive opportunity for you. And here is another major advantage, especially if you're selling recurring services. You make money every month. When you set up clients on a monthly retainer, you know exactly how much money is coming in each month. There's nothing better than waking up on the first of the month and seeing all of those automatic payments hit your account. So it removes a lot of risk from doing business. Now, let's compare this to something like dropshipping. With dropshipping, you're constantly dealing with shipping delays, customer complaints because you sell low quality products, refund requests, and razor thin profit margins. One bad month of sales and you could be in serious trouble. But with high-ticket services, you're not dealing with any of that headache. There's no inventory issues, no shipping problems, no product returns, just service delivery that you can often do from your laptop. The margins are insane too. When you're selling your expertise or a service, you're looking at profit margins of 70 to 95%. Now, compare that to physical products, where you'd be lucky to get 30% margins. Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people who try dropshipping fail. Most people who try Amazon FBA fail. Most people who try affiliate marketing fail. Why? Because those business models have become increasingly competitive. The easy money days are long gone. But high-ticket services, that is where the real opportunity is right now. Why? Because it's relationship-based, it's value-based. It can't be easily copied or commoditized. And that creates a sustainable business that can withstand economic ups and downs. Think about it this way. During a recession, what's the first thing people stop buying? Cheap, unnecessary products. Think dropshipping. But what do they still pay for? Solutions to their most pressing problems. If you're solving a real problem that costs people money or causes them pain, they will pay you to fix it, even when times are tough. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube. which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10k per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. So how do you actually start this kind of business? Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1 is identifying your niche. You need to find something you're either really good at or something you're willing to learn quickly. But here's the key. It needs to be something that solves a real problem for businesses or consumers. The bigger the problem you solve, the more people will pay you. Look for areas where people are already spending money. Weight loss, making money, relationships, health. These are the main evergreen markets where people are always willing to pay for solutions. And don't think you need to be the world's greatest expert. You just need to know more than the people you're helping. If you know how to help someone lose 20 pounds and they've been struggling with weight their whole life, you have valuable knowledge worth paying for. Step 2 is developing your offer. This is critical. You need to create a premium service package that delivers real results. Don't just offer social media management. Offer an Instagram growth system that guarantees 500 new followers per month. Be specific about the outcomes you deliver. The more specific and results-focused your offer is, the easier it will be to charge premium prices. Because understand this, nobody buys coaching or services. People buy outcomes. When crafting your offer, focus on the transformation you provide. What does your client's life or business looks like before working with you? What will it look like after? The bigger the gap between these two states, the more valuable your offer becomes. And don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Undercharging actually makes it harder to sell because people associate low prices with low quality. When you charge premium rates, clients take you more seriously and are more committed to getting results. Step 3 is building your team. This is where the magic happens with done-for-you services. You find contractors who can deliver parts of your service. Maybe you need a graphic designer, a copywriter, or a virtual assistant. You can find amazing talent on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr for very reasonable rates. The beauty of this model is that you only pay contractors when you have paying clients, so there's virtually no risk. Your business can be profitable from day one. And here's a little secret. You don't need to be an expert at everything. You just need to know how to find and manage people who are experts in their specific areas. Your job is to be the strategist and the face of the business. Let your team handle the implementation. The job of the CEO is to make the right decisions to move the company forward. The team executes it. Step 4 is setting up your online presence. You need a simple but professional looking website that clearly communicates your offer and includes a way for potential customers to book a call with you. You don't need anything fancy, just something that builds credibility. Social proof is huge here. As soon as you get your first client results, document everything. Testimonials and case studies will become your most powerful sales tools. Don't get caught in the trap of thinking you need thousands of followers or a massive email list. In the high-ticket space, it's quality over quantity. 10 high-quality leads are worth more than 1,000 tire kickers who will never buy. Step 5 is marketing your services. This is where many beginners get stuck, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The simplest approach is to go where your ideal customers are already hanging out. If you're targeting business owners, LinkedIn might be your best bet. For consumers, Facebook or Instagram might work better. Direct outreach can work wonders. Sending personalized messages to potential clients often leads to sales calls, which is where the magic happens. You don't need thousands of followers or a huge email list to make this work. You just need to get in front of the right people. Content marketing is very powerful too. Share valuable insights related to your niche. Demonstrate your expertise. Position yourself as the go-to authority. When people see that you know what you're talking about, they will naturally want to work with you. And don't underestimate the power of partnerships. You can find complementary businesses that serve the same audience, but that don't compete with you directly. For example, if you offer Facebook ads management, you can partner with web designers who can refer clients to you and vice versa. Step 6 is closing sales and onboarding clients. This happens on a sales call. Don't overthink this. A simple sales call structure involves understanding their problem, explaining how you can solve them, and making an offer. If you're genuinely offering something valuable, selling becomes easy. The key to sales calls is listening more than you talk. Ask good questions and really understand what the clients need. When you truly understand their problems, you can position your offer as the perfect solution. When they say yes, you need a smooth onboarding process that sets clear expectations and delivers immediate value. This is how you create happy clients who stick around and refer others. Step 7 is delivering exceptional service. This is what separates successful businesses from failures. You need systems and processes to ensure your clients get amazing results. Document everything, create templates, build standard operating procedures your team can follow. Remember, in the high-ticket space, your reputation is everything. One unhappy client can damage your business with negative reviews, but one thrilled client can bring you 3 more through their testimonial or referrals. Now, step 8 is scaling your business. As you get more clients, you can hire more contractors and automate parts of your delivery process. Eventually, you can remove yourself from the day-to-day operations and focus solely on growing the business. The beautiful thing about this model is that it scales without requiring much of your time. Unlike trading hours for dollars, you're building systems that generate income without your direct involvement. Let me give you some real numbers to think about. Let's say the goal is to make $10,000 per month, and let's say you charge $2,000 per month for your service. With just 10 clients, you're making $20,000 a month or $240,000 a year. Not bad for a business you can start with basically no money down. Now, what if half of your contractor's cost is $1,000 per client? Well, you'd still be making 50% profit, so $1,000 profit per customer or $10,000 per month, and you can find cheaper contractors. That is 6-figure in profit from a laptop business with no inventory, no office, and complete location freedom. Compare that to dropshipping, where you might need to sell tens of thousands of dollars in products just to make the same profit. And you'd be dealing with all the headaches of inventory, shipping, returns, and customer service issues. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description, and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. So let's recap. High-ticket coaching and done-for-you services are the best online business model for beginners because you can start with almost no money. You don't need inventory. You can work from anywhere. You get paid premium prices. You've got high profit margins. You build recurring revenue. You face less competition. And you can scale without working more hours. I've tried virtually every online business model out there, and nothing comes close to the simplicity and profitability of high-ticket services. One more thing, this business model is future-proof. While products get commoditized and trends come and go, expertise and quality service will always be in demand. As the world gets more complicated, people are willing to pay more for someone to simplify things for them. Stop wasting time on overrated business models that require huge upfront investments and complex operations. Stop chasing shiny objects and get-rich-quick schemes that never deliver. Start selling your knowledge and services at premium prices and build a business that gives you both income and freedom. If I was starting all over again with zero money and zero connections, this is exactly what I would do. It's not the flashiest business model, but it flat out works. And in this economy, that's all that matters. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just take the first step and start building your high-ticket business today.